lifestyle, shit ain't no hobby. Just look at my closet. Me and my twin, Zach and Cody, we got to the hotel and fucked up the lobby. Bringing up all that old shit I said or did, I ain't hearing it. I changed the topic. Me and my lover got flying, we took off them side, but we is not Whitney about.
Y'all see me, man? There we go. Alright, we back, y'all. Hold on. Alright, like I was saying, man, we back. So right now it is. How can you see? Hold on. It's 11 o'clock right now. But y'all, we finna damn. Y'all, this is a new camera. This bitch, I gotta get used to it. I don't wanna focus. There it go. Let me know if y'all fuck with this quality, cause it's a new camera, like I said. But yeah, we finna head to Bloomington here in a little bit. I'm finna wrap this hood today, and then I'm finna wrap do this custom wrap on this other car. So I'm finna bring y'all with me right now. I'm just getting ready. This the fit I got on right now. King, the Casey here, It's the back of that though. And I'm finna go to work, so I don't know if I should wear these Revenge X Storms or I should just throw in the little bubbles. Some cool shit to go work in. Ain't get no cut yet, but we finna get a cut soon. Now my boy Sabri or somebody get me right. Today is June 15th, right? Oh shit. I can't even see it. June 15th. I probably had this video up by. Hold on. Damn, my shit fucked up. Oh shit. Hold on, let me get y'all right real quick. Alright, y'all, so I don't know why my nails fucked up though. I'm here editing. I'm talking about this June 15th. This is July, bro. I don't know what I'm on this bit. If y'all did watch my last video, this one right here. If y'all did watch this video, if you didn't, go watch it now so you can understand what I'm talking about. But as y'all know, we did just hit 150 subscribers, which was one of my goals. So I made this channel back in February. I'm gonna show y'all. So I made this channel in February. I had 0 views, 0 subs, all that. And we had we had more than this, but we had about 14,000 views. This is one of my goals, and we just hit it. So with all that being said, if you did watch my last video, you know what I'm talking about. If you didn't, it's cool, but if not, go watch it. So this is the page y'all need to text. Hold on. Text glow to my car page. So this is my car page on IG. And just text glow to it, man. It is a few requirements. If you know what I'm talking about. So it is a few requirements to, you feel me? But just text glow to this page, and I'm telling you, I'm gonna bless you. So, and then I'm gonna get this video pushed out to y'all today. So this is this video right now. Kind of weird. Damn, that look like me. But this video is this video. If you know what I mean. So yeah, man, I'm finna continue editing this vid. I'm finna get back to y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be right back. Oh shit. Got to smell good. I know we got to smell good. Even though I'm going to work, I might put on something. Got to. What y'all thinking the dough say there? I was just about to leave and my nigga pulled up.
A new pack came in. Y'all see what's going on, man.
That pack came in. Hold on, let me see that camera.
Go ahead, you shit. You go ahead. You don't got me right with the dust, man.
And then I got him this little bag. He put the camera in this little.
Hey, real niggas do real shit.
He got a little thing to wipe the lens off with, and then.
Any other nigga would have me carrying that bitch in this. I would have been carrying this box. In the box, big ass box.
And then I got him this little piece. He can plug a USB in, and he can. It's like an adapter. And then put the other end in, whatever you want. All right, we back. We in the Jeep. We on the way down there now. We got some gas, so we probably ain't got to get none. Alright, y'all, so we just made it down here. I'm pulling up to the shop now. Hold on. pulling up to the shop now. I'm gonna show y'all when I get there.
Arrived.
Hey y'all, so we back at the crib right now. It's later on, but it's 8:48 right now. I'm finna go get the Jeep clean. Right now I'm at the crib though. I'm finna get these lights. Remember, I'm finna get the app on my phone. Yeah, I can't find the barcode. We'll figure it out later, but I got the key. Hear me? Too close. That ain't hot. Watching a little corn. You feel me? Y'all probably can't even see me in this bit, man. Hold on. Y'all can see me, man? Yeah, y'all see me. But right now we on the way to get the Jeep clean, cause I was just on the road, so I'm gonna clean these buds off, but I'm gonna get up with y'all when I get there.
Make sure you go and grab a credit dump. They never hit with them. You better put a proxy server on or use public connection.
Y'all, I finally found it, man. I found the QR. I can change the colors now. Let me download the app real quick. Almost done. That's how it's looking right now, though. Almost done now. Y'all, the app is finally downloaded. Let's see what this tell me. Charger like got the phone thing too. This one is for the bad. These ones take a remote, but I don't know where the remote at. I'm finna do rainbow. Let's see what that bit look like. 7-color crossfade. Let's hit this way. There we go. Eee. Oh shit, hold on. So, as y'all see, we got the, you feel me? Red, green. The camera, I'm gonna show y'all when we get to the car wash. We finna head there here in a little bit. It's about 9:09. I'm finna get this video out to y'all today. So, let's get it. I will start doing POVs in the Jeep, but I'm gonna start doing the POVs whenever I get the exhaust work done. I'm with my boy George right now though. So we just made it to the spot, you feel me? We got the Jeep. They getting lit over there. Let me show y'all, it's like a whole block. They doing down there, doing a big one. I see we got the Jeep. We got my boy George over here, Camaro RS. And he got the battery in that bitch. Y'all see the Jeep, man. We finna get it right though. Oh, we gotta get my phone. I know. I just told them that. Yeah, they getting lit as y'all. They getting lit as hell. Y'all don't even know. Hold on. It's blurry as hell. I don't even. All right, there we go. So they got lights over there. I'm gonna go check them out after this. Stupid ass. But we on the Jeep right now. We finna get right. And just like that. What we wanna do first? We gonna get the wheels first. You feel me? Alright, bitch. Wheel and tire. Where the fuck that's at? That's how they off. Oh, there we go. So this is for the wheels. This wheel and tire. We gonna spray them bitches down. Yeah, we gonna come back with that too. This is my first time coming to this one though. My homie said this bit nice. We gonna see what they talking about. Let's see what they talking about this bitch. Y'all, the Jeep not even really dirty. Hold on. I think I got it on zoom. Hold on. Oh shit. There we go. So yeah, the Jeep not even really dirty. We finna get some soap on this bitch though. Yeah, I don't know if I should do pre-soak. I'm finna just do pre-soak. I think I did brush, I don't know. Phone. I do not know how to use this bitch. Right, it's over here, I think. Oh, here we go. So y'all, I hope this the right shit. I'm finna get this bitch dressed up though. I'm finna dress this bitch up. This bitch finna be looking nice as hell. Bro, this bitch don't shoot nothing. This shit weak as hell. We finna soak this bitch up though. I'm here. Oh, I seem like that, bro. I only use 30 seconds of my time. I think. I don't know. We finna get this bitch soaked up though. Let me know if y'all fuck with the daily uploads too. I've been on a little run. Like 5 days, everything. Probably not easy, I'm probably starting. Y'all see it, man. We gonna get this soaked up and I'm gonna get some videos of the top camera down for a little bit. I'm gonna get that whip out of it.
How y'all love? Tryna sober up where the fuck's my mom? Cause I fuck around lost. Took that bitch to a place that we met. She fell back in love cause shit was nostalgia. She asked me now as we back locked in. I'ma be honest, I can't make a promise. Told her I'm here for the ride, a lot of ups and downs. I ain't know the whip had hydraulics. Baddie bitch got.
Y'all, I think we did it straight. It look good as hell right now. Bitch ass man. This shit not soaked up. That bitch weak as hell. Y'all see my shit, then look at his.
Oh, hell no.
We finna turn this bit off. Yeah, we finna get some videos and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yo, I'm telling y'all, they kicking it. They got spotlights. Hold on, I'm trying to show y'all. They got spotlights going on, all types of shit. They were like kicking it over there. It's wet. Oh my god. I'm gonna pull out though so these people can pull in. So my homie came to redeem himself, but he had to go to the automatic, so I'm gonna hop in here with him. Then he got the work gloves on the seat. Got the work. What? Damn. Shit. This little ass car. I'm in this little ass mirror.
Get my fucking dollars straight. Almost the pennies right.
He just got robbed today. He had to pay 15 for a not wash, and now he finna pay how much?
$8 for it.
Now he finna pay 8 for. We gonna see what it's doing. I ain't never been in one of these. That's why I want to hop in here. And that dude get in. What the hell? I see the Jeep over there in the cut. Y'all, we finna see what this automatic talking about. See what I'm at talking about. It's my phone. Damn!
Shit.
Damn!
Damn. Can I get in this motherfucker first?
Wait, what are you? Damn! This bitch in drive. Hold on. We going park? What we do?
Oh, is it telling me to go forward? I don't know what the fuck. Oh, what do I do?
Go up. Shit. Stop. I think it say stop.
It say keep going.
Shit, try it. Breakfast time, they get on niggas early, want they eggs hot. Headshot. I'm finna show y'all the pictures that I took. It's almost done, I think. I don't see no more soap. Bro, this bitch don't never wanna focus. There we go. What's I think? Decent. It's a video. Let me know what y'all think. I probably had these posted on the channel, on the community shit. Yo, we in this bitch stuck as hell. It just finished, but his car is still wet. Oh. 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 You good. Hold on. Hump, you just gotta go over it.
Come on,
Oh, girl. What? Damn. His car making a weird noise now. What that is?
Oh, hell.
But I told this nigga we finna drive the car off. He gonna bring. What the fuck is this, nigga? We got a duster. Oh my god. Damn. Shit. I don't know. That bitch sound weak as hell. Did you hit something? I can't even see nothing. Pull it in here. God damn. You know how to open your hood? And brake.
I don't fucking know, bro. You fucked my shit up, folks.
I did. What? Look at, I ain't go through the automatic. I don't go to automatic.
You fucked my shit up.
I don't go to automatic. This nigga left his car and I'm finna steal this shit. I don't know. Cause your car sound fucked up. And you left your windows down. I was finna take your car. Bro, you know where we at, bro? We in them trenches. They don't even know where we at. Fuck you talking about? Ooh. That bit clean in here. And then you come over here. Damn! They busting. Stupid ass. Huh? Oh, they still popping fireworks. Psych fuck nigga. Psych fuck nigga. Damn, man. I'm finna end this vlog here. My camera died. It be dead as hell. Y'all see the Jeep clean as hell though? Jeep clean. I'm finna show y'all the lights. Again, one more again. I ain't show y'all them all on. I can't change the color because I'm using my phone to record, but I'll see. But yeah, y'all, this will be the end of this video. I'm gonna get this posted tomorrow. Like I said, I was gonna post it tonight, but we had technical difficulties with this nigga in this wet ass car still. So this video will be coming out tomorrow. What you gotta say for yourself?
Hey, I'm gonna be
Shut the fuck up. Yeah, but stay tuned, y'all. We got videos coming on the way every day. Let's get it.
I'm on them better things. I ain't moving around with no niggas that be settling. And it's like I'm putting up and now I'm in my element. Bringing up my past like that shit even close to relevant. Get that shit in between me and you or you gon' trip without no evidence.